Asphalt pavement. So the unboxing process, the thermal printer, the sensor, this is the phone base, any damage, any broken surface. Okay. So this is the cable. This is the sample holder. And this is the glass plate. You can also so let's first check. So the tube at the back. So close it. This is a magnifying lens. This is the lighter to see the rate. Inside that box, I mean with the wheel there. Inside the other box, this is the temperature sensor. So there is a knob at the back here for the temperature sensor. This is for the temperature sensor. There is the pin. So temperature sensor. The transducer from taking force from me to this is a 7-pin. So the setup is complete for just pre-test, and that is this. When it's time for usage, we do the calibration just for pre-test. Now what we want to do. So I want to be sure the sensors are working. So it shows that the temperature sensor is working. It's expected to go down. Now, the temperature sensor is working. Now we want to check the penetration rate. So I want to know the penetration rate if it's responding. Based on what we set here, we determine, so we can print, we can set it manually. So it depends on what you want to do. So when we'll be doing the other calibration test. So you wash that, just assembling it. So use the fine pan attached to it, which can use to print. There is a cable, okay. Use the cable to it. So it depends on what you intend to do. So the test that you want to determine determines what you set here. There are different tests: system set, falling time, coefficient, the time you want it to be carried out, maybe in 5 minutes, maybe 5 seconds. So on calibration process, you'll be able to explain all those other methods, and the other data that have been saved inside, you can get that. If you want it to, you can see as it came out manually. So that's it was a response. So this is the time now. The time, because there is no load, we don't expect this to read anything. So we are done with the setup. That means the system is working fine. So all other things will be properly done during calibration. Thank you. Something that's so that is control knob here that you can use to set the balance. So this has to set. So if it's not set, when it's time for testing, you see that if it's not properly set, any test you do, you're just wasting your time. And it's applicable to many equipments like that. And that is why you get error in most things you do. If you want to unbox, remove this. Once you leave that, you pull this out.